All right.
Okay.
Look, have fun.
Yeah, you
Let's
too.
get some Pokemon in.
Deck placement.
Okay. Sorry. Rolls live on the table.
Yeah, I felt that.
You know? You said heads, it's still going. Your dice move. Oh my god. Round corners on that.
Okay, you know what? This is a bad dice. Here we go.
You got
Perfect.
it. You take a second?
I'll go second.
You got it.
What's wrong with that dice? Let's get that out of here. Yeah, I'm excited to see what type you're playing. Although, just no wires.
You got it.
I know.
No, I'm getting
It is a tragedy. I can't start Lily's Pokédoll, right?
Yeah.
No,
that is not
it is an
Pokemon.
item card until it
Play
enters the. Yeah. Okay. Lucky cut.
Lucky cut. Here comes Talonflame.
Yeah, let's see. Let's. Please. That'd be great.
Sign. There you go. Believer.
Okay.
You have to remember if it's 35 minutes.
Thank you.
That should happen.
Yep.
Oh, it's best of one.
2, 3.
Oh, it did. Oh, that's gross.
Yeah.
Get out of town.
One.
Get out of here.
Okay, I will go first.
Yep.
So draw for turn.
Draw.
Ooh, that's all I can do.
Hey, I will draw for turn.
Thank you. Good deal? Alright, fine.
It's a character.
The answer is 35.
He's left for that.
He's looking for a gift for his father.
Play bench.
Look at all that extra match time they got.
Time around has started.
Yep.
You're excited for playing Scarlet and Violet after rotation.
Yes, I hate Lugia. I'm so tired of Lugia. I hate Lugia.
I don't even play standard an entire
Yeah.
No, I feel that for sure though. I'm like,
It's like the only good deck though. It's like
What's
I
the
want
play
to
rate, like above 50%, right?
For variants, it's like 30 though for the basic. Yeah. Okay.
Whatever else there is.
I want to play Big Pig.
Felix
Yeah.
is very enthusiastic about
I think it's actually like insane. You put V-Guard energy on full face mask and you take minus 50 HP, and then you can pick it up every turn because it attacks for 1.
This Sharon's character is
It's nasty.
it's so mean.
Okay. Draw for turn.
Yep.
Yeah, hold on. There's something sus about that Ultra.
Goes in hollow.
I haven't seen Alex
Mhm.
play.
He's discarding?
Just for the stadium, actually.
Alright.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I pass.
Oh,
I'm fine on my team. As long as it's reprint cards.
I still want to
Or
know this
research
time,
lab,
sorry.
and I'm going to do research lab
Oh, so actually it's nothing.
10 minus 20 negative.
You got it. Okay, so I get some help for that.
after attaching
Alright, that's a draw.
double colorless,
It's a real good
double turbo to Talonflame.
Search is exactly this one.
Yeah, so Aerodactyl and
You don't shuffle it in. Yeah, it's nasty.
Arkin. That's my turn.
It does the same effect as them.
And we have Judge. Oh, and then
Pretty sure I can get the fire engine on.
thanks.
Zoo. Search for evolutions.
Good card. Shuffle that.
Just for play, I'll just keep
Yeah.
moving. Yeah?
Yep. Okay. Cut. That's the shuffle from before. Yep.
Time to shuffle.
Did you play Marnie?
I did.
Okay.
Yeah.
These are those pro plays. You're getting that championship map for sure, man. Keep playing with that. Believe it or not, I'm gonna play my own level ball here.
Crazy.
It's a little crazy. That's true. I would like to use
I paused it, Mike. That's why it's.
Oh, that's so mean.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
I'm gonna play some energy down.
No, thank you.
No, thank you. And then,
Oh,
I keep calling it 3 basic rapid strike Pokemon and put them onto my bench.
great card. Wonderful card.
It is a good card.
Amazing.
Thank you. Yeah, definitely those.
And I will charge 50, ready to go.
Put down.
Here, I thought I was gonna have a smacky one.
That's the best, that's the play though. That's the play.
There's just a little guy. You don't hear that.
Who knows?
Who knows? That's such an aggressive answer. Why?
Exactly.
All right, I'll
Okay.
hit you for 80.
Okay.
There's like
Crap.
some-
Good.
Yeah. Sorry.
You're right. I got a prize penalty.
Draw for turn.
I did not give you the
Evo
chance to
Incense.
cut it. I'm so sorry.
Oh, I just have the 100.
Gums.
Yeah.
Yep. See what happens.
Or
Yeah.
Archeops. Do that.
Watch this.
Not great for me.
Watch this. Watch and learn.
Bridget.
Yep.
Attach. Choke, I got a bench
Grab.
protection, so
I'll
damage
grab
done
the
to my
quick
bench
line,
from
and
performance
then I think
attacks.
you know what I'm gonna do.
And abilities can be damage on my bench as well.
What does that one do? Actually,
And then I
Attach
switch my
here,
deck with
and
three
switch one for
steel,
knockout.
3 basic energies. I
Uh,
put my Pokemon
let's
in
go.
the line.
dude, you're gonna kill Sabo?
Oh,
Oh no, of course I would.
Okay.
You steal all your Pokemon.
This is like my best attacker, if I can get
Or wait,
the all the
Okay,
energy.
yeah. We're going to do
Run fast. Where's the Tepig? Is it in prizes or you just
Picky
No,
Peck.
I just
Mhm.
did my deck as my hand, so-
try and get it? Yeah.
Pokemon
Yeah, I gotcha.
Color, Steel.
Another one or? Yeah, I'm down.
Lugia, Starly.
Try this deck. This one's really, really good.
And then I'm going to Primal
And I was
Turbo.
like, I pitched the card focus Colossus and prizes, and I was like, I'm
To
running prizes for Arcanine. I don't need
Aerodactyl. Weakness Guard.
out.
That's very valid.
And
I don't like pitching it because it really
No,
likes
it's
to
fine.
I think play Pokemon.
have it. I don't need it right now.
Because that's the one.
Yeah,
Twin Energy.
Like those ones definitely
Hey, Pokemon.
not great first.
You get off fast, you're like, oh.
I can. And then oh you no. Oh, you just
Maybe he doesn't have the fighter.
That's why I showed the fighting first. I was like, you'll think maybe I won't have to fight.
Yeah, that sounds like. I mean, I whip 2 turns sometimes.
and 3 Retreat.
Yep.
Oh, your ice guys are weak to
And Fossil Fangs Knockout.
Yeah.
That's a water type, not a ice type.
Turn.
It's too bad. Otherwise you'd be taking 440 damage. Well, if Phoenix is coming around, they have like 500 HP.
The Judy like to put up their own guy. Put up mana free.
Just a disaster now.
Yeah.
This is a good
I
game.
get that.
This
I
is a great
I have
game.
This is a
super runners
wonderful
to have, but I
game.
should be running like 60%
I'm so
for
grateful.
keepers, and then I still sometimes like small like 4 times in
I
a
will
row.
play
Those happen.
Cards 6. Cards for sure.
And they're gonna be the 6 best cards I can possibly get.
Yeah.
And they're gonna
Giving you-
absolutely destroy you.
Yeah, they're too strong.
Not bad, but okay.
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 Oh my gosh, I was so sick.
I'm gonna get like a
So, man,
Fox's Orders, Who's My U-Turn Dog.
Whoa.
some more cards.
Don't you think you're being a little greedy?
Okay, let's put you to sleep.
Okay. Do that.
That will- I have a couple just like
Oh my gosh.
just kind of have stuff I can play.
Draw for turn.
Um,
Evo into Staravia.
life,
Evo into Trumbeak.
You're gonna deck me out.
Chorus for
Yeah,
7.
Good.
Yeah.
Are we just doing best of 1?
Just,
I-
it's just
best one, yeah.
two.
Alright.
And then I will.
I want to see you do the thing. You have to like even win. You get the setup.
Clang was prized, so I
There's not a lot of these
Nice,
man. Happy for you. Truly.
Right. You need
So
other
there's
stuff.
to just sack.
Yeah.
I am too.
Like you have trainers to get basics when you're playing.
Floor
but you need
7.
basic
Yeah.
in your own.
3. 7.
Just draw best card ever. Draw 3 prizes. Oh, that's bad.
Yeah, a long time ago.
That's not great.
Right. Now you wanna rock it.
Powerful energy onto Lugia.
Yeah.
And then
Have a fun one.
Yeah.
Primal Turbo for
You sure it's bad?
Don't you think?
Cycle Energy on Trumbeak. And
And of course my grass
Pass.
Pokemon.
I mean, sorry, Fossil Fangs. Yeah.
Pass.
Yeah, my
Yeah.
grass Pokemon. I haven't shown them to you yet. Illegal plays.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I'm not sure you really want to try, but
Okay.
I know what I want to do, unfortunately.
Oh, you can see it on the bottom.
Let's just boss up this
there is
guy.
Yep.
There's 2. There's
And
3 water.
pass.
Okay.
There's 4.
Draw for turn.
4 water energies on there. That counts as 4 water.
Because I know they said they did something about changing the layout of the card. Because you know those players like hold it in this direction.
Yes.
So they put the text aligned differently. I don't know.
Cynthia for 6.
But you should see, you're drawing 7 rolls for me, but not really.
Oh yeah, this is
You're drawing almost a 10, you're more than 10 for me, die.
yeah, right? Of course.
I got you right where I want you.
Exactly. Right where you want to be.
I think
You
it's
should
by
rush
7.
over the bench.
Yeah,
So
find out something.
Yeah.
You would,
2, 3, 6.
Am I crazy? Am I just not
You're just not looking close enough? Just basically tucked behind a fire. I wish I could shuffle one real fast.
Yeah. Into this. And then
You always try and tell you something.
No, I wanted to at least do something.
You can all,
I'm
this
trying
game
to
is really
identify a few issues.
so you get them all out.
That's a good thing.
Round 2.
That's a great thing for you. See, I copied it. Somebody went like 5-1 with it, and I was like, hey, I'm sure, yeah, I'm sure that couldn't be that bad, right?
Maybe it was just a really good run.
We in there.
He's done it multiple times. It could be right. It could just be
Do
like.
I draw one time or do I have to choose how many?
But you're also a range.
Uh,
So maybe it was just
But
a
I'm not playing
cheesy
about
play.
right
That
now.
Marnie at the start was so stupid.
yeah.
That was such a bad play.
You marnied a tag call for Gizmahala, and the second time you marnied my Archeops. So I still had like were disrupting me. I just managed to get
You just got exactly
really good
what you
draw.
needed
Yeah,
to
good
get.
draws after
Oh,
that.
I thought you could like drew into everything you needed from
no.
nothing. and I
You
was
were
like,
disrupting
oh.
what I had. I had a tag call to get the Gizmahala, and then I just drew it.
This is just like
yeah,
yeah.
it's
This is
I got like
GLC.
Dirt is the best.
super strong curve, and then you're just struggling to claw back out. Yeah.
When you get some
Discard
dirt.
2.
You're good on
That's
that.
your
I won't cut.
bench.
I've been cutting you too many good cards. So that's
You can get 2 fighting if I have them. Maybe I check for all these guys. Let's find out what's going on. Everybody's playing. Let's get that. Holy busy. And let's see if we can have it. It's just a bunch of people looking to play. I've seen like a shooting full before too. It's so hot.
I wish.
Yeah, you're in the middle. Maybe that's part of your plan. You draw 9 cards on the first turn and then go from there. All this.
I'll hit all your guys for 20.
Okay. That one I'm.
We retreat.
Yeah.
No.
I do have my deck box. I just.
Top 2 and come back.
It's okay.
Yeah.
We're not
It's like
that far away from being done here.
Yeah, yeah.
Like,
Of course we can solve that problem because we have Malin
Turn.
Line.
20, 100.
100,
Top deck.
20, 20, 20, 20.
Because my
Okay.
issue is I only
Okay.
have 188 pounds.
Only.
Need it for a little more for the level.
Yeah, not really,
I'm gonna
no.
retreat and
Raw for
I'd love to
turn.
attempt to gather the crew, but I don't think I'm even allowed to. So go ahead.
Gladion.
Okay. That was.
Yeah, it's going really well.
Want to know what I talked like?
What did you no Lona?
Or this card. Well, I guess I technically would put Gladion back in there too, but.
Oh,
You know, I worked really hard developing that wishy-washy for 3 turns, you know?
Uh,
bad. I'll take knockout. Dude,
Sky Pillar
Prevent all effects or attacks, including damage.
to the bench, yeah.
Yeah.
And
Damage counters.
Exactly. That's
What
why
am
I was talking
doing?
about Mal and Long.
Okay.
But
He even gave me that info for free.
Lucky Energy on
I
Aerodactyl
assumed
Sure.
that you
and
would.
Knockout.
I just
Stuff happens, right? Stuff happens.
Yep.
those to him because I like the players.
You only had Guzman? The only two supporters who played the whole game?
Correct, sir. That those would be the two cards.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, I have just shoved the three cards into one.
Evolutions.
These are awesome sleeves.
Oh god. What
Actually,
All right. Let's use Terraspark to take out the Aerodactyl. We'll take out
You should have seen me
Talonflame.
and Fletcher yesterday.
And then 40.
We had like the
40
trainer
on.
toolkit sleeves, and we went through like 20 of them in 3 games. At least 20.
DLC 7 and a kicker.
It really doesn't matter, does it? I'll put it on Archeops because, like,
Yeah.
it's annoyingly strong.
Yes.
Then I have to discard this one and take 2 prize cards.
And I'll draw for the Lucky Energy.
Yep.
Um,
You got this?
Oh,
I
that's
might.
You must have it with Archeops. Even?
Oh wait, no, I do have an answer. I think. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I do this, draw for turn,
Bad quality product or research.
and no.
I do not like this card one bit. It's giving me some card.
yeah.
For 2 cannon, and then triple axle. Yeah, knockout.
Oh my god, birds. Too
Yeah,
strong.
they
too
are
strong.
So I'm just gonna.
I
job.
yeah. GG.
Yeah, when you get
The research lab was like, again, you disrupted. Both those Marnies disrupted me. It's just wound up drawing again
Exactly.
into it again. So, yeah.
I played that game against Jared too, and it's like doesn't even feel like you're playing a game.
Yeah.
You feel like, okay, do we?
You're just clawing back out. Yeah.
Oh, you're never clawing.
Oh,
back
you're
out, 'cause
trying
you're
to,
never
yeah.
set up to do anything.
Yeah.
Like, yeah.